In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make arrows on chess.com. If you've ever wanted to annotate your games for better analysis or to share strategies with friends, adding arrows to your chessboard is an invaluable tool. Let's dive right into it. First, to get started, open your web browser and head over to chess.com. It's a free online platform where you can play chess, track your progress, and connect with a global community of chess enthusiasts. Once you're on the site, you'll want to look for the login button, which is typically located around the middle left area of the page. Clicking on that button will bring you to the login screen. If you already have an account, you can easily enter your username and password in the designated fields to log in. Alternatively, if you prefer a more streamlined process and you've registered using a service like Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can click on the relevant button for an automated login. Personally, I find logging in with Google to be incredibly convenient, but choose whatever suits you best. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the chessboard where you'd like to add annotations. Here's where the fun begins. To draw an arrow, simply right-click and drag your mouse across the board from the starting point to the end point where you wish the arrow to point. It's straightforward and easy, and when you release the right mouse button, the arrow will appear on the board, pointing exactly where you want it to. As you draw, you'll want to consider the color of the arrows. By default, the arrows are yellow, but you have the option to use different colors to emphasize specific moves or strategies. To change the color of your arrows, hold the Control key while drawing to get a red arrow. If you want a blue arrow, hold the Alt key instead, and for a green arrow, you'll use the Shift key. These different colors are especially useful for highlighting various tactics or indicating separate paths in complex positions. Remember, the point of the arrow will be wherever you release your mouse button, so take care to drag and release accurately to ensure that your annotations are clear and precise. We've covered all the essential steps to annotate your chess games with arrows on chess.com. Now you can add a whole new level of clarity and professionalism to your game analyses. Whether you're explaining your thinking process to a friend or assisting someone in understanding your strategy, these arrows can transform a simple board into a rich visual tool, offering valuable insights. That's it for today. Implement these steps in your next game review and watch as it enhances both your understanding and your teaching abilities in the wonderful world of chess.